Hey, want to work together?
No, last time you told me to wash the French fries.
You could let my daughter do it.
Okay, fine. Ow. Daughter, pull yourself up. Ugh.
Hey, want to be together, friend?
Yes. Come on, we're going to the cooking competition today. Woo!
But who will we race up with?
Lily and... ow! Why does this show people always fall down? Lily and... fine. Stacy and Lily will race with us. Come on, let's get cooking to the kitchen.
First, you need to get a pot from the in front of the fridge.
Yes.
Whoever gets to the fridge first wins.
Ow. So, let's race of who will win. Partners?
Jump.
Partner? I feel so lazy. I feel sick. Oh, we're so exhausted from cooking 1 hour. Ha! You think about that. We're gonna get that frying pan first. No! Oh, no!
Oh, I know. I have an idea. You could lie there and I could run by myself. You lie down there. I could run.
Okay, fine. We put the pot back.
No, that's the pan. The pot is there.
What is wrong with me?
I am a weirdo. I don't know what's a pot or a pan. Get the pan in on the fridge.
Okay. Ah! Running race. Whoa. Yeah!
Yeah, and hey, who just did that? That team, the team that had a dog and a gray rabbit.
Yes. No, but sir.
Hey, you're fired.
Now we can win this with teamwork. Okay. The bread. Please taste it, Judge.
Delicious.
How many stars?
100. Wait, somebody's eating it.
It's okay. It's fine. It just tastes good. Yeah, that tasted so good. You guys are the winner, and those two are eliminated. No, please, sir.
Hey, sir, want you to eat ice cream and popcorn and everything together? Let's hang out.
Yeah.
Come
Now,
on.
bye, guys. This lesson teaches you do not ever cheat